What is the concept behind TikTok's POV trend?
Hello, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of TikTok, specifically focusing on a fascinating trend that has been making waves on the platform, the POV trend. This trend lets users walk in someone else's shoes, presenting narratives from unique perspectives. Let's explore this further.
What is the POV trend?
The POV trend, or point of view trend, is a popular TikTok phenomenon where creators craft short videos from a specific, often unique, perspective. The term POV typically refers to the narrative viewpoint in a film or novel, and TikTok users have adopted this concept to create their own mini-movies, placing the viewer directly in the action. This trend emphasizes immersive storytelling where viewers get to experience a narrative from a specific point of view, be it a character, an inanimate object, or even an abstract concept.
What makes the POV trend unique?
One of the defining features of the POV trend is its versatility and creative freedom. Creators can take this trend in any direction they wish, from comedy and romance to horror and drama. They may assume the role of a popular character, showcase a day in the life of a particular profession, or even personify an object. This wide range means there's a POV video for almost everyone on TikTok. Furthermore, the trend encourages creators to experiment with different shooting techniques, effects, and editing styles, often leading to innovative and engaging content.
Why is the POV trend popular?
The POV trend has exploded in popularity because it offers a unique blend of interactive storytelling and user engagement. By allowing viewers to step into the shoes of various characters or scenarios, these videos create an intimate, engaging, and immersive viewing experience. In addition, the trend taps into the universal love for storytelling, with each TikTok user getting the opportunity to be a filmmaker in their own right. The trend also sparks discussions, reactions, and even spin-offs, making it a robust tool for fostering community interaction and growth. In conclusion, the TikTok POV trend is a shining example of how social media platforms are reshaping the ways we create and consume content. By inviting everyone to share their stories, whether funny, moving, or thought-provoking, it helps to create a more inclusive and engaging online environment. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the POV trend on TikTok. Until next time, keep creating and keep sharing your unique perspectives.